By all accounts, we have ample office space here. Many experts and advisors tell us we have too much office space. To that end, we've launched programs and worked with companies to convert some of those offices into residential apartment opportunities to help keep our workforce here and provide an affordable opportunity for our youngsters to get established here. We have 2 projects underway that will take vacant office buildings and turn them into rental opportunities for our economy. It's needed. And couldn't be more highlighted than in Hurricane Sandy, where we struggled to find empty available housing opportunities. And I'll just give you a little indication of how the thought processes work in other parts of the country. FEMA's program allows them to relocate residents up to 50 miles away from your affected area. 50 miles away. Draw a 50-mile radius from your home here and figure out how long it would take you to commute to your home or to your business if you're relocated that far away. And those are some of the challenges that we had to face and fight for program changings to keep our residents here, because we fear if they leave, will they come back? Will they come back? If those jobs leave, will we be able to recreate them? And that's why we continue to fight for the programs necessary to make our county a stronger county, even better county than before Hurricane Sandy. Basically, that gave you a little thumbnail sketch of the challenges of Hurricane Sandy and what we're doing to create jobs and opportunities here by attracting new companies back to Nassau County, by clearly sending that high taxes kills job message, and it's beginning to work.